Artificial intelligence is changing the way people work. Just a few years ago, creating professional content, marketing campaigns, or digital products required teams of specialists. Today, a single person with the right tools can do the same work faster and sometimes better. Across the internet, freelancers, creators, and small business owners are using AI tools to increase productivity and open new income streams. But there is an important reality many people don't talk about. AI itself does not create money. What it does is increase the speed and scale at which a person can create value. In this video, we will explore 10 AI tools that are widely used today and how people are using them to generate additional income online. One of the most popular AI tools in the world today is ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, this AI model can generate text, analyze information, write code, and assist with a wide range of tasks. Many freelancers use ChatGPT as a writing and research assistant. For example, content writers use it to generate article outlines, research topics faster, create first drafts of blog posts, rewrite and improve text. Instead of spending 3 hours researching a topic, writers can now generate a structured outline within minutes. But professionals don't simply copy what the AI writes. They edit, fact-check, and improve the output. Another growing use case is SEO content creation. Freelancers often charge $50 to $200 per article, depending on the niche. With AI assistance, a writer can produce more content per week while maintaining quality. In this way, ChatGPT acts as a productivity amplifier, not a replacement for human creativity. Visual content has become extremely important in the digital economy. Tools like Midjourney allow users to generate high-quality images simply by writing text prompts. Midjourney is widely used by graphic designers, content creators, digital artists, and online store owners. A popular business model involves creating digital products. For example, people create printable wall art, fantasy illustrations, book cover designs, and social media graphics. These designs can be sold on platforms like Etsy. Digital downloads are particularly attractive because once the product is created, it can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. However, success in this field still depends on understanding visual trends, choosing the right niche, and building a recognizable style. AI generates the artwork, but taste and market understanding still matter. Another widely used tool is Canva. Originally known as a beginner-friendly graphic design tool, Canva has integrated several AI features that significantly speed up content creation. These include automatic image generation, AI text suggestions, presentation creation, and social media design templates. Small businesses often need constant content for platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. However, many business owners simply don't have the time to design regularly. This creates an opportunity for freelancers. Some freelancers offer monthly social media design packages for businesses. For example, 20 Instagram posts per month, 10 story templates, and promotional graphics. Prices for these services can range from $200 to $800 per month, depending on the client and content quality. AI tools inside Canva help designers complete this work much faster. 4. Jasper AI. AI for professional marketing. Marketing is one of the most valuable skills in the digital economy. Companies constantly search for ways to improve advertising performance. Tools like Jasper AI are designed specifically for marketing professionals. Jasper helps generate advertising copy, landing page text, product descriptions, and email marketing campaigns. For example, an e-commerce business launching a new product needs a landing page, Facebook ads, promotional emails, and product descriptions. Instead of writing everything from scratch, marketers can use AI to generate multiple variations of the same message. They then test which one performs best. Freelancers offering marketing services often charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project. AI reduces the time needed to produce high-quality marketing content. Notion: building productivity systems. Productivity is becoming a major challenge for growing companies. As teams expand, organizing information becomes more complicated. This is where Notion plays a role. Notion combines note-taking, project management, documentation, and team collaboration. With AI features, the platform can now automatically summarize long documents, generate meeting notes, organize information, and create task breakdowns. Because efficient systems save companies time and money, businesses are often willing to pay for this expertise. 6. Synthesia: video production. Video is currently the fastest-growing form of online content. However, producing professional videos traditionally requires cameras, lighting, editing software, and voice recording. Platforms like Synthesia simplify this process. Synthesia allows users to create videos with AI avatars that speak scripted text. Businesses use these videos for employee training, product explanations, online courses, and customer onboarding. Instead of hiring actors in filming studios, companies can generate videos directly from scripts. Freelancers sometimes offer AI video production services for companies that need simple explainer videos. Another popular tool for marketers is Copy.ai. Copywriting is the art of writing text that persuades people to take action. This includes buying a product, subscribing to a service, or clicking an advertisement. Copy.ai generates ideas for ad headlines, product descriptions, and marketing emails. Professional copywriters often use AI as a brainstorming tool rather than a final writer. It helps generate multiple variations quickly, which can then be improved and refined. Good copywriting can significantly increase business revenue. That is why companies invest heavily in skilled marketers. 8. Pictory: turning text into video content. Content repurposing has become a major strategy for digital creators. One useful tool for this is Pictory. Pictory can convert written content into video format. For example, a blog article can become a YouTube video. A script can become a short educational clip. A long video can be converted into short social media content. This allows creators to produce content for multiple platforms with less effort. Since video content often generates more engagement than text, this can significantly increase audience growth.
Runway ML: Advanced AI Video Editing. Video editing used to be a highly technical skill. Tools like Runway ML are changing that. Runway provides AI-powered editing features such as background removal, object tracking, automatic visual effects, generative video tools. Creators use these features to produce more professional-looking videos without expensive production teams. For YouTubers and online educators, higher production quality often leads to better audience retention. 11 Labs: Realistic AI Voice Technology. Voice technology is another area where AI is advancing rapidly. One of the most impressive tools today is 11 Labs. It can generate extremely realistic voices in multiple languages. Creators use these voices for YouTube narration, audiobooks, educational videos, podcasts. This allows creators to produce high-quality voiceovers even without professional recording equipment. Final perspective. Artificial intelligence is transforming digital work. But the people who succeed with AI are not simply using tools. They are combining tools with creativity, market understanding, consistency. AI accelerates production, but value creation still depends on human thinking. Over the next decade, the individuals who learn how to work alongside AI will likely have a significant advantage in the digital economy.